Okay, take two with some lighting this time. I bought this product, EcoClean Tar Bug Remover from IGL Coatings. And this shit is absolutely amazing. So, this is the before. See all this gunk on there? That will not come off with conventional car wash stuff. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, not much at all. That's about a quarter size. Okay. And then you wipe it on, wipe it off. If I can wax on, wax off. And it's low quality recording, but whatever. And it's getting all kinds of shit off. Now this is going to remove the wax, but at this point I don't care about the wax. I just care about getting this shit off my bumper. Like, okay. I can use the clean side of the towel, wipe it off. Alright. Now let's get a close-up. All that shit is gone. Look at the reflection of the light. That's all clean. I got a few scuffs on my bumper, but look at how clean that is now versus what it was. Isn't that shit insane?